What is up, guys? Back with a brand new video, and well, we're back with another baking, cooking, whatever you want to call it, episode with Finn. Why do I always have to do dances for the intro? Today we are going to be making, drum roll please. Where's the drum roll? But well, we're going to be making peanut butter cookies. Now, well, they are very easy to make. Hopefully they turn out a little bit better than last time. But well, anyway, shall we get started? So well, guys, first I'm gonna go get the sugar, bring it back, and then I'm gonna get the whole earth peanut butter. Then as I walk over here, walk back there, I get eggs. Enjoy, local. So well, here we have got all our ingredients ready. We've got the oven preheated to 180 degrees. We've got our free-range eggs. We've got our whole earth smooth peanut butter. We've got our dark brown soft sugar. So well, let's get started. So guys, we're just finishing it up. But the looks of it, it's really went well. It's hard enough to make into cookies. So well, guys, we're on to the next step. Now what you want to do is get your mixture at the moment, and you want to kind of make it into a ball shape. As many as you can make, just put them on a little tray here like this with some paper on it. And then what you want to do is, see, we've got a fork here because we're going to be using it to push them down into a cookie shape, just like that. There's quite a lot of these, so I think we're going to do a quick time lapse. Guys, they are all prepped and they are ready to go into the oven for 10 minutes at 180 degrees. So well, let the baking begin.
Finn.
The beautiful cookies that we've all been waiting for. Oh yes, they are beautiful, but by the looks of it. Oh yes, look at them. Pleasant little children sitting on a tray. Ow! My goodness. But well, now is the moment of truth. The cookies are ready. Did you have a bite of one?
No.
Mysterious, mysterious. But well, I'm going to try it for the first time. Not like some people. Let's go. After our non-success last time, let's see if we have redeemed our success. But well, let's go. Oh my goodness, they are so nice. Nice and chewy. Taste the peanut butter. They're amazing. Oh, they're so good. Oh my goodness, I could eat these all day.
I can do this all day.
Oh, I couldn't because then it'd be sick everywhere. Excuse me. But well, this is it for the video, guys. I hope this helped you, and well, yeah, bye.